Is Upload Forever really a way to earn $7 per file you upload, or is it a scam you should stay away from? My name is Michael, and I have been asked by many viewers about this platform because there are a lot of videos that claim you can earn, for example, $7 per file you upload and even make, potentially hundreds of dollars per day very easily. So I decided to put that to the test, and in this Upload Forever review, I will give you an inside look, and let me just reveal right away that you can potentially earn, but there are some very, very important details most people do not tell you about, and you need to know this before you invest any time or potentially money on this platform. So the idea behind Upload Forever is that it's a platform you can join for free. It also has paid memberships with other benefits we can go over later, but you can join for free, and you can upload your files, and it's a file sharing free cloud storage. So then you share links to those files, and if people download it, you get paid and potentially can earn good money like that, at least if you believe some videos. They make like crazy claims about how easy it is to earn hundreds of dollars per day. I will talk more about this later, but this is the idea behind what you need to do. You just need to upload files basically, and then you can earn by doing that. So let me just log in and show you exactly how that works, because there are some important details most people don't tell you. So I'm now inside, and you can see the dashboard, and there are different options. For example, you can also get a premium account where you have to pay. You don't have to. That is an option. So if we just open that, you see that there are potentially you have to pay $10 per month, then you get some more benefits and things like this. So that is an option, but you don't have to. You can also earn just with the free, and right now I just have the free there, and you see I just uploaded a file. All you come here is just to come to the files, and then you just upload a file. You choose to upload a file, and then I have a file there, and then now you say like, well, I'm supposed to earn just by uploading files. That's at least what some people tell me, but there's a little bit more to it. You need to share this file. You need to send traffic to this file to earn. So you need to find places to share it. Some people say then, oh, you just share it below YouTube videos, or go to comment sections on YouTube or Facebook or forums or whatever. But I can tell you that's be a sure way to get banned, because it is like people don't like you just spamming links everywhere. So you might get a few clicks here and there, but be careful how you do it. Also, even if you get clicks, what happens then? See, I'll just copy this. I'll just right click, and then I'll copy the link. Then I'll jump and show you what happens if people then click your link, because you will get paid for them to download this file there. So let's see then how it looks for them if you manage to get people to click the link. So you see, I then pasted the link, and then people that clicks the link, if you share it anywhere, they will come to this page. So they will come to something that looks a little bit confusing. Say like, okay, I could download this file they wanted me to download. Like, just think about it. You know how careful you have to be to download files in general. Do you think that anyone you send to this would feel safe about this? And then especially they come here, they can't click the link. They have to go down by small, and then they can see, oh, I can premium download or free download. First of all, how many people will get down here to download it? Secondly, would you not become extremely suspicious if you came to a page you thought you were about to download a file? In general, be careful what you download, right? And you see, then they just flash this paid membership, because then you can premium download it, and then you get more features, and they try to sell a membership like that. No, I don't know. I think you have to be lucky. Of course, if people download and pay, then you'll get a higher commission. You'll learn more. We'll talk more about how much you can learn. But some people will manage to get down there and click the free download. What then happens? Then they come to this. And what then? I have to wait 30 seconds, you see. And again, it all looks weird, but I can also solve this capture. Oh, see, all kind of, just keeps. I can't even, solve it. Now I got the chance to actually solve it. But other than that, you see, I just had to have these spammy pop-ups, and it is spammy pop-ups in my experience there. But let me just let this timer run out now. You can see there's only 5 seconds left, and then you think like, okay, now I've been patient. I had to click a few times, spammy pop-ups. I closed them. Now I waited these seconds there. Now create download link. And then what? I'm just sent to another like spammy pop-up ad again. Download. Yeah, does that look like something you want to download? Please don't, because not unless you have a really good antivirus program. See, all these spammy pop-ups, they just keep popping up. I can't get to the actually link. So now it happened. Something. Oh, now it's preparing it, and then click here to download, and then see another spammy pop-up. By now, no one will ever get to that stage unless they're really naive and don't know nothing about internet security. They would have given up long time ago. So this is what you need to know. The videos that tell you, oh, you just upload a file, you get paid, and then you send traffic to share the link. Yeah, but what do you do to people that you finally get to click this? It's a terrible experience. It's risky. You know, you don't know what they will get with all these spammy pop-ups. It's like really low. Like some of them I have seen also when I tested earlier, like really inappropriate and dangerous ads and things like that. Just terrible experience to send people through. But let's say for the sake of it that you still want to do it, how much can you then earn? Let's go over that also. So they have a page where it says more about how much you can earn and how you can earn, because you don't get paid just to upload the file. People that say that they're not being transparent, you see, they say that they then calculate the profits on each download. It provides some of the other properties for profit. And see, it's not even proper sentences that they're writing. And then we pay even per 1,000 download in some areas. So in some areas, maybe if you're lucky, they will pay you when people have downloaded 1,000 times. Like, you know, you saw how terrible difficult it is to just do one upload or download. You know, it's terrible then. And then upload forever, there is calculated as earning rates for all areas without exception. You know, like it's really, yeah, it's poorly written to be honest, right? It doesn't make sense. It's not transparent, you see. And you see, in order to take advantage of the revenue per 1,000 download, it's just a terrible explanation. And then you can see, so also the file size and things like this is where this comes from, $7 per file, because that's what some videos I saw they claim, oh, just upload a file and $7 per file you upload. Yeah, well, potentially you could earn more if you get a lot of downloads, but see, this is only if you get, for example, 1,000 downloads from US or Canada, then you could earn $7. 1,000 downloads, 1,000 people that you would have to put at risk with scammy pop-up ads to earn $7. First of all, do you have any idea how difficult it is to send 1,000 clicks to then get 1,000 downloads, especially when you look at how many times they have to click and how many things they have to go through to be able to download? It just doesn't make sense. You would be very lucky to ever earn anything unless you really know how to send a lot of traffic. But if you do, then send that traffic to better options. Use affiliate marketing or something like that. I have like also information about how you can make real money with affiliate marketing, where you focus on quality, helping people, not sending them through risky things. I'll leave links to that below, because that's a way better option if you want to make money by sending traffic, and where you can also learn it from scratch if you don't know how to send traffic. But this is just a terrible way to make money. But we have to also talk about the payout options then, because I know some people will still ask about that, even though clearly this is not a method to earn that I recommend. So let's talk about the payout options. So inside your profile, you can see the payout options, the global ones, and then they have for specific countries. But you see, you only need to earn $1 to get paid via PayPal. They also have pay year, low payout threshold. For Skrill, it's $5. For Bitcoin, it's $100. But good payout options. For some of the options, fairly low payout threshold. But even $1, it will take a lot of time. You have to send a lot of people through a terrible experience to even earn just $1. So still not worth it in my opinion. So to sum it all up, yeah, you can potentially earn by uploading files on Upload Forever if you also are good at sending traffic to these files, and if you really don't care about the people that click your links. First of all, it's not easy to send traffic. You need to know how to send traffic. And if you're good at sending traffic or want to learn how to send traffic, then give people a quality experience. Help them with something. Give them useful content. And don't send them through a terrible experience like that with pop-up ads that are scammy and spammy. And also even like just getting people to download a file. What are you going to get them to download? You know, like it doesn't make sense. Like, you know, most people today, they are careful what they download. If you just spam your link everywhere, do you think people will trust it? Oh, that's an interesting file, I'll go and download that. Of course they will not, and especially not when they get to see that. So it'll be extremely hard to make money. And it's just a terrible way to make money, because even if you can make money like that, you're just not helping people. You're doing the opposite, in my opinion, and from seeing the ads that pops up, you're even putting people at risk. So therefore, I strongly advise you not to do this. If you want to make money online by, for example, sending traffic to quality offers, so then there are ways to do that, and you can make really good money like that if you're willing to do what it takes to do that. I will leave links below to some information about that. Link sharing like this, where people go through all that, that's not a good way to build a long-term business. Even if people manage to do it once or click your links once, they will never trust you again because it gives them a terrible, risky experience. So in my personal opinion, upload forever, not a good way to make money online. And since so many people have asked, I hope this helped you and helped clarify whether it's for you or not. And if the video did help you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.